Hey guys, it's Mark from parkflyers.com. Today we're looking at the Arrma Felony. This car retails for $649.99. This will do 80 miles an hour with the speed pinion, and it is extremely fast. Car comes with two pinions from the factory, 16 tooth and 27. Like I said, it'll do 80 on the 27 tooth. Problem with this car though is a lot of people say that it will do a thermal shutdown if you overrun it on the speed pinion. So we had a customer that was a little frustrated with that. He wanted us to upgrade his car. So basically he can just hold the throttle, do unlimited runs, and have a great time with it. At the same time, he wanted to go a little bit faster. So basically what we did was we took out the Spectrum 150 amp speed control. We replaced it with the Mamba X. This is an 8S capable speed control. Very, very, very good. A lot more capable than the stock speed control. For the motor, we went with a slightly faster motor than the stock motor. The stock motor is 2050 kV. This one is 2150 kV. It's a supersonic motor, 4282. We recommend it highly. And then we went to a 29 tooth pinion. Running on 6S, you're going to notice a tremendous increase in off the line acceleration. Torque just goes up. The tires will absolutely scorch on takeoff. So you have to be very careful with it. Top speed on this setup is going to be probably 95 plus miles an hour. Now, if you go to 8S, you're going to even go faster. I wouldn't even imagine. It's probably going to be 100 plus on 8S. Now, the tires are good. The Hooms are really good. They're made well. They're made to withstand, speeds up to about 120 miles an hour, no problem. The one thing that you have to keep in mind is Toyo proxies are going to give you more grip. If you want a car that's not going to slide as much, you go with the Toyo proxies. They're available from Proline. They have really good rubber on them, a little bit softer than the rubber here. They do happen to last. Even though they're soft, they last very well, and they're built to go at very high speed. So it is a nice alternative once you roast these tires. And by the way, with this setup, you will roast them. You can go with the Toyo proxies. Now, in order to make the car a little bit stiffer, to handle a little bit better, we stiffened up the car with aluminum braces like from Hot Racing. You see them here, front and rear. And we went with a center brace. Some of the components on the car also in the rear are from Hot Racing, just because they look killer. Overall, a really nice car. Now, the customer, this car is selling it. We are selling it on his behalf. The car is going to be going for $675. And it is a bargain. There's very low use on this car. If you look at the bottom of the car, absolutely nowhere. So mint condition, very nice car for sale now if you want to buy it. We're going to put the link below to our website and you could purchase this. Now, one other thing before we go, I just want to mention we went and we switched to the TQI controller. Reason for that is the DX3 that it comes with the AVC is good, but it's not great. TSM from Traxxas, which is their version of stability management, is going to be much better than the one from Spectrum. It doesn't ever need recalibration, needs very little adjustment, and it always just works, and it's extremely stable. It also has a manual dial where you can control the amount of TSM, and we think it works better than the AVC. Overall, a great package. For $675, you get a car that's worth well over $1,000. And we are, like I said, the customer wants to sell this. It is available from the link below. Anyway, this is a very, very intriguing car. If you want us to build one of these for you, we can as well. Email me at mark@parkflyers.com, or you could call the 800 number, ask for Mark. We could set one of these up for you. This is probably going to sell pretty quick. So by the time you're watching this video, it may not be available. Like I said, we do these custom builds all the time. This car runs a lot better than the stock Felony. Absolutely no thermal shutdowns. Much, much faster. And like I said, because we stiffened up the chassis, it handles a little bit better. Anyway, Mark signing off from parkflyers.com. We want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday season. Please put comments below, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you find these videos nice. We really appreciate the support. Anyway, we'll see you on the next review, and have a great day. Hey guys, it's Mark from parkflyers.com. Today we're looking at the Felony 6S with a custom light kit. So we have red demonized in the front. We have a red underglow to match the lights in the front and rear of the car. We have Ford GT lights from Traxxas in the back. We custom mounted them. Looks phenomenal. That looks insane. When driving this at night, it looks like a demon mobile. You have the red light shooting out of the back window. See, at night, when you drive this at night, you see a much bigger imprint of the red glow around the car. So it looks meaner and it looks nasty. It's easier to see, by the way, and it looks wicked. This is one of the nicest Felonies I've seen. I can't wait to show this to the customer. I think he's gonna be pretty happy with it. This car will do about 80 miles an hour. One of the things I like about the Felony over the Infraction is the rear wheels are wider and it gives it more contact patch. In my opinion, it handles a little bit better, I think. And then you have the thinner wheels in the front. Overall, this car is a blast to drive.